Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra has been booked for allegedly hurting religious sentiments after her comment on goddess Kali stirred a controversy. An FIR has been registered in Bhopal against her. She had called Kali meat-eating and alcohol-accepting. Reacting to the complaints against her by the BJP leaders, the TMC MP said, "Bring on BJP, I'm a Kali worshipper. I'm not afraid of anything, not your ignoramuses, not your goons, not your police, and most certainly not your trolls. Truth doesn't need backup forces." In a tweet, the TMC said the comments made by Mahua Moitra and her views expressed on goddess Kali have been made in her personal capacity and are not endorsed by the party in any manner or form. All India Trinamool Congress strongly condemns such comments, the party tweeted. Moitra's remarks came after a controversy erupted over a poster of filmmaker Leena Manimekalai's documentary Kali. The poster of the film depicted a woman dressed in a costume portraying the goddess and smoking. A flag of the LGBTQIA community is seen in the background.